What is the tallest waterfall in the world? Angel. Who was the first human to journey into outer space? Yuri Gagarin. What is the largest internal organ in the human body? Liver. What instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Barometer. Which vitamin is produced when a person is exposed to sunlight? Vitamin D. Which planet is known as the morning star? Venus. Which scientist is known for the 3 laws of motion? Isaac Newton. What is the smallest continent by land area? Australia. What is the capital city of Iceland? Reykjavik. Which element has the chemical symbol O? Oxygen. Who painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? Michelangelo. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. What is the process by which plants make their food? Photosynthesis. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Japan. Which planet has the most moons? Jupiter. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? Na. Who invented the light bulb? Thomas Edison. Which organ is responsible for producing insulin? Pancreas. Who wrote Moby Dick? Herman Melville. Which organ is primarily responsible for pumping blood? Heart.